Let's make something clear. If you're still hiring prospecting coaches, paying for social media content plans, or wasting hours trying to stay consistent online, you're already behind. Because the agents who are dominating in 2025, they're using ChatGPT to replace all of that, and they're doing it better, faster, and completely tailored to their own market. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 creative and highly tactical ways to use ChatGPT that will help you generate 3 times more leads, cut 60% of your workload, and eliminate the need for a virtual assistant without sacrificing quality or results. These aren't just tips that you'll find in a Facebook group. They're the exact AI strategies top producers are using to secretly scale their business without burnout. And by the end of the video, I'll show you how to access the exact step-by-step walkthrough so you can do it yourself. Let's get into it. Number 1, roleplay prospecting calls using voice mode. The fastest way to get better at handling objections on the phone is to practice. But let's be honest, most agents hate role-playing. Now you don't need a role-play partner. ChatGPT's voice mode lets you role-play prospecting calls in real time. You can practice FSBOs, expired, circle prospecting, or even buyer-seller consultations as if you're on a real call. Here's exactly how to do it. Open ChatGPT, tap the headphone icon to activate voice mode. Say the prompt out loud, let's role-play a cold call. You're a FSBO or for sale by owner homeowner who doesn't want to hire a realtor. Push back on commission, question why you need an agent, and give me common objections in a natural tone. Now start talking. ChatGPT will respond with realistic objections like, we're trying to save money, or we had a bad experience with agents, and you can practice this as often as you want. No pressure, no judgment. Use it for FSBO objection handling, buyer consultation practice, expired listing rebuttals, and build confidence before the appointments. You can even ask it to give you immediate feedback after you roleplay and get it to rewrite your script to improve every single time. Number 2, create high converting ads with matching images. Most agents waste hours trying to come up with ad copy, or worse, they copy some template and run the same boring ad as everybody else. But you can use ChatGPT to instantly write hyper-specific, high-converting ad copy and now generate the matching image too. Here's what you could do. Open ChatGPT, type in the prompt, write a Facebook ad targeting relocation buyers moving to Denver, for example. The price range is $600,000. Highlight the family-friendly neighborhoods, schools, parks, and access to the mountains. Make it friendly and local. Then generate an image of a modern home in Denver priced around $600,000 with large windows, natural light, and a clean exterior. ChatGPT will now give you ad copy and the exact custom image that you can use for your ad to increase conversion rates. You just copy the text for your ad, download the image, run it on Facebook or Instagram, and you can repeat this for just listed ads, retargeting campaigns, neighborhood-specific relocation funnels, even Google and YouTube ads. Number 3, get feedback on your Instagram posts and make them better. Instead of pasting in text, take screenshots of 5 of your recent Instagram Reels posts and their analytics and upload them into ChatGPT. Make sure that each screenshot does include the post analytics like views, likes, and comments and watch time. Then use this prompt. Review these 5 Instagram posts and the analytics shown. Tell me which post had the strongest hook and why. Give me clear step-by-step suggestions of how to improve future content, including hook ideas, post format, caption structure, and how to increase engagement. Now you're no longer guessing. ChatGPT will tell you exactly what's working, what to double down on, and what to tweak in order to get more engagement and, more importantly, more leads. Use this to refine your content strategy, improve reels and carousels, create better hooks and call to actions, and you can even do this for YouTube and TikTok as well. Number 4, organize your business with projects in ChatGPT. This is one of the most underrated tools in ChatGPT, projects. Projects allow you to stay organized in your chats, all of your prompts and workflows by topic. Whether you're managing a listing launch, a content plan for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, email sequence, or your next marketing strategy, You can keep everything in one place. It's exactly what I do to organize all of my content. In ChatGPT, go to the left-hand side and select New Project. Name the project something very literal like relocation YouTube series or client nurture campaign. Going forward, group all related prompts, tasks, and ideas inside that one project thread. Why does it matter? It keeps everything organized so you're not starting from scratch each time. It's perfect for ongoing initiatives like weekly YouTube uploads, social media content planning, and lead follow-up, any repetitive, recurring project or task. It saves you hours trying to find past conversations or rebuild workflows from scratch. Number 5 is where things get crazy. Connect ChatGPT to your Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Docs. Here's how to do it. Click your profile in the top right-hand corner and click Connectors. And now you can access and toggle on your Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Docs and follow the prompt to sign into your Google account. Once connected, you can go into a chat and you can even see this under Tools, but you can type in a prompt like check my Gmail and summarize unread emails from the past 3 days, draft responses to 2 seller leads asking for pricing advice, then schedule a Zoom call with John Smith for Thursday at 2 p.m. and add it to my calendar. You can also use it to clear your inbox fast, respond in your voice without typing, avoid calendar back and forths, and it's perfect for inbox zero or zeroing out your inbox so you don't have thousands of unread messages, managing new inquiries, setting appointments, and handling everything instantly so you don't miss a beat. Now imagine this, everything I just showed you today, role-playing cold calls, writing ads, analyzing your content, planning your content strategy, and managing your schedule, automated and done for you with zero guesswork. That's why I created the AI Agent Accelerator, which to my understanding is the only system built specifically for realtors to master AI even if you're not techie, based on how I've designed it. Inside, you'll get foolproof step-by-step walkthroughs of every use case, pre-built prompt packs to generate the perfect results every time. All you have to do is copy and paste. Deeper strategies that go way beyond ChatGPT tools like Manus, Gamma, Gemini, Google AI Studio to make sure your content converts better, and automations that save you on average over 10 hours a week running your business. In just the first couple of weeks, over 1,000 agents just like you committed to it, and the reviews are insane. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and finally use AI to grow your business the right way, click the link in the description or the pinned comment to check out all of the details. Now, if you want to see the role playing in real time and how to go back and forth without needing to pay $1,000 a month for a prospecting coach, check out this next video where I show you the entire process live in real time.